Today, we're going to test your PEMDAS skills with 3 problems. Each one looks simple. Each one tricks people in a different way. Let's start with the first one. Problem 1. 2 plus 1 squared divided by 3 plus 2 squared. The first thing we do is solve the parentheses. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Now the expression becomes 3 squared divided by 3 plus 2 squared. Next come the exponents. 3 squared equals 9. 2 squared equals 4. Now we have 9 divided by 3 plus 4. Division comes before addition. 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Now 3 plus 4 equals 7. So the correct answer is 7. Not 9, not 13, just 7. Now let's try something a little harder. Problem 2. 12 plus 2 times 2 plus 1 times 2 squared. Most mistakes happen inside the parentheses. Some people immediately do 2 plus 1 equals 3, but multiplication comes first. So we start with 1 times 2 equals 2. Now the parentheses become 2 plus 2, which equals 4. Now we have 12 plus 2 times 4 squared. Next comes the exponent. 4 squared equals 16. Now 12 plus 2 times 16. Multiplication comes before addition. 2 times 16 equals 32. Now 12 plus 32 equals 44. So the correct answer is 44. This problem uses PEMDAS 3 different times, inside the parentheses, for the exponent, and again before the final addition. Now let's finish with a problem that introduces another important rule. Problem 3. 6 minus 2 divided by a half plus 1. This one confuses a lot of people because we have a fraction in the denominator. According to PEMDAS, division must happen before addition and subtraction. So we focus on 2 divided by a half. And this is where KFC helps. Keep, flip, change. Keep the first number, 2, flip the second fraction. 1/2 becomes 2 over 1. Change division into multiplication. So 2 divided by 1/2 becomes 2 times 2, which equals 4. Now the expression becomes 6 minus 4 plus 1. Addition and subtraction have equal priority, so we move from left to right. 6 minus 4 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the correct answer is 3. 3 problems, 3 different traps, 1 solution. Follow PEMDAS carefully, and when fractions appear in division, remember KFC. Keep, flip, change. If you got all 3 correct, well done. And if one of them caught you off guard, that's exactly how you learn. Subscribe to Math Algo for more PEMDAS challenges, math puzzles, and step-by-step explanations.